Let us discuss some problems on the introduction to graphs. In that, the application of the topics, that is the application where we are using these graphs. Okay. In the some applications in these graphs means one topic is related to another one. That is nothing but one variable is related to another one. Here we can take the examples. The first one is the cost of the petrol is related to the number of liters. And in real life, the cost is related to the quantity of the things. Okay. If, for example, the number of apples, one apple cost is 5 rupees, then 2 apples is equal to 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 3 apples cost is 5 3s are 15. 4 apples cost 5 4s are 20. 5 apples cost 5 5s are 25. In this, the number of apples is the independent variable. Cost of the apple is the dependent variable. Why? Because the number of apples cannot depend. That is our wish. But the cost is depending on the number of apples. Here, the first question in exercise 15.3, draw the graph for the following tables of the values with suitable scale on the axis. The first question is cost of apples they have given. Here we can take the horizontal line x-axis and vertical line y-axis. Number of apples we can take on x-axis. Scales means number of apples take on x-axis. Okay. And here 1 unit equal to 5 rupees. Next, 1 unit is equal to 1 apple. 1 unit equal to 1 apple. Why? Because we can take apples, number of apples on x-axis. Next, cost on y-axis. Okay. Cost means 1 unit is equal to, I'm taking 5 rupees. Okay. Now we can draw the graph. We draw the graph from the relation of the number of apples and cost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 unit equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And plot the points 1, 5. It is 1, 5. 2, 10. 3, 15. 4, 20. 5, 25. It is a straight line. Draw the or joining the points. Okay, joining the points. From this, we can calculate the 6 apples, 10 apples, like that. Okay. The second question. Second problem, distance traveled by a car, time in hours, distance in kilometers. 6 a.m. 40 kilometers, 7 a.m. 80 kilometers, 8 a.m. 120 kilometers, 9 a.m. 160 kilometers. Okay. Now we can draw the graph, that is on x-axis, that is the horizontal line. Take time, 1 unit equal to 1 hour, or 2 units equal to 1 hour, and take on y-axis take 1 unit equal to or 2 unit equal to 40 kilometers. Okay, now we can take the graph joining of x-axis and y-axis. Here 6 a.m. 2 unit equal to 1 hour, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Okay. Next to 40 means this is 20, it is 40, 60, 80, 120, 160. Now we can take 6 a.m. 40 kilometers, 7 a.m. 80 kilometers, 8 a.m. 120 kilometers, 9 a.m. 160 kilometers, joining the line. T7, 80, 8, 120, 9, 160. What is the question here? How much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m.? 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. means this is the, it is 100 to 120. Okay. How much distance did the car cover during the period 7:30? At 7:30 a.m., how much distance? 100. 8 a.m., 120 distance. So the first question, 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. covered distance, 20 kilometers. 100 to 120 means that is 20 kilometers. How we are getting means at 8 a.m. 120, at 7:30 a.m. 100 kilometers, then that is equal to 20 kilometers. Distance between the during the period means from 7:30 to 8, how much distance he covered means 20 kilometers he covered. What was the time when the car had covered a distance of 100 kilometers? That is 7:30 a.m. What was the time? The time is 7:30. C, in the first question, C bit, interest on deposits for a year. Deposits in rupees, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Simple interests are 80, 160, 240, 320, 400. Does the graph passes through the origin? Exactly. 82 is a 160, 83 is a 83 is a 24, 84 is a 32, 85 is a 40. It's clearly passes through the origin. Just we can draw the graph, then we can justify the answer. Use the graph to find the interest on 2,500 for a year. Third question, to get an interest of 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? Okay, now we can take the graph. Okay, in this 1,000 rupees, 1 unit, 2 units equal to 1,000 rupees. Next, here 50 rupees, 1 unit equal to 50 rupees, or 2 units equal to 80 rupees. 2 units equal to 80 rupees. 80 rupees. 160 rupees, 240 rupees, 320 rupees, 400. So 40, 120. Then make the plot for 1000 rupees, 80, for 2000, 160, for 3000, 240, for 4000, 320, for 5000, 400. Draw the graph. Okay. It is a straight line. So on x-axis, take deposit rupees. 2 unit equal to 2 units equal to 1000 rupees. On y-axis, take interest, simple interest. 2 units equal to 80 rupees. Okay. Now it is 1000, 80. It is 2000, 160, 3000, 240, 4000, 320, 5000, 400. The first question is, does the graph passes through the origin? Yes, it passes through the origin. Why? Because it is a straight line. Use the graph to find the interest on 2500 rupees. Here 2500 rupees means this is the 2500 rupees. Between of 2000 and 3000, that amount is also between of 160 and 240, that is 100, 200 and 200 only. So what is the amount here? 200 rupees simple interest. Okay. Next, third question. To get an interest of 280 per year, how much money should be deposited? 280. 280 means this is the 240, this is 280. We can draw the between of 240 and 320, then it nothing but 3500 is the deposited amount. Deposited amount is 3500 rupees. It is the answer. From the graph only we found the values.